everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys the Walgreens ad preview for September 15th through September 21st. It is kind of a slow week. If you guys watched my coupon preview, we are hardly getting any good coupons, so I'm sharing with you guys with that. But I'm just going to show you guys what is on sale at Walgreens. Now this is something you guys can check out every Wednesday on the Walgreens website, so you guys can get a clear picture of what ad comes out. But they do give you free flu shots if you guys are interested with that. They have the soft soap and Irish Springs for $3.99. I did not see we're getting any coupons for those. So you guys want to buy 2 of them, you would spend $7.98. But then you guys get 5,000 points when you buy 2 of them, making them $2.98 or just $1.49 a piece. We do have Tide for $4.99 with $2 off coupons, making them $2.99. Those can go towards the rebate if you guys want to do 6 separate, or you can do 2 of each and then just do 3 separate transactions if you guys want to do that. The Scots, they're going to be $5. There are some coupons that you guys can print for like 50 cents or 75 cents off the Scots brand website, but they come out to be either $3.75 with no coupons. If you do get coupons, it'll be a little bit smaller of a price. I do think we are getting some coupons for the Butterfinger. I can't remember what it is, but those are $1.88, so now you're going to start seeing deals for Halloween candy. They do have General Mills, $1.99, in the 825 Smart Source. You guys want to buy 2 of them. You get 2 boxes for $2.98 or just $1.49 a piece if you guys were interested. This is the last page of the ad. They somehow just do it this way. I don't know what, I don't know what's going on. But they do, what did I say? The Scots, or the Colgate toothpaste is $3.99. We do have some of those printable coupons for $4 off of 2. I don't know if they're still valid by the time this week hits, but we do have them. But otherwise, it does say we're getting some online coupons for $2 off. But if you guys do have the 4 off of 2 and it's still valid, you guys would pay $3.98. You get 4,000 points, making them absolutely free. Nothing else really popping out. They have the Gain for $2.99 after coupon. Arm & Hammer is buy one, get one free. Food items, nothing really popping out on that. If you guys are interested. Sorry, my whole thing is like cut off and I don't know why. Benjamin's trying to be quiet. He's just trying to be quiet for you guys. Okay, so more candy deals. Brock's 99 cents. Nothing really popping out with me. These things are so soft. I actually want to get one of these. They are so soft. I might have to wait and get one. Especially with Halloween, I'm going to have to check them out. But they have a lot of Halloween stuff on sale. Now we're getting to the personal care products. Nothing really popping out. Like, it's just kind of a slow week, which is totally fine if you guys were looking at that. They do have Bulldog for $6.99. There is going to be a coupon. I don't know why it's not coming off. Looks like a $5 off coupon, making it $1.99. Crest toothpaste, it's $3.99. There's going to be some kind of online coupon, and you get a $4 register reward buying 2 of them. We have some other Burt's Bees, which I think there's coupons out, I think, for that. But you get $5 register reward when you spend 10. Other than that, nothing really popping out. Vitamins are buy one, get one free. Buy one, get one 50% off. Other stuff. It's kind of a slow week, you guys. I'm just going to say it's a slow week. And we're already on the last page of the ad. They do have some Angel Soft for $3.49. Clorox is 2 for $5. The real big kitchen bags are 3 for $15. And then we got the aluminum foil for 99 cents. So it's up to you guys what you guys like. But other than that, that is what is going on sale next week. So it's going to be a slow week. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up so I know you enjoyed it. And I will see you guys all later. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.